morning everyone and welcome to the morning assembly. My name is Manji Yadav and I am going to conduct this beautiful morning assembly. We pray for everyone's welfare and well-being and prosperity. Now I call my friends Akshita and Anchita for this morning prayer.
Kindly join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You are always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me in my mother's womb. You are with me in my days of gloom. You have me stand against all odds, and you fill me with your strength, O Lord. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night.
Thank you Akshita and Anchita. A new day begins with a new thought, a new strength and endless possibilities. So, to brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Harshitagar for thought of the day.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Thank you.
Thank you Harshit for such an inspiration thought. The theme of today's assembly is the Internet. Internet is the biggest network of computer. It is an easy way to get information from all over the world. The word Internet comes from the combination between interconnection and network. To have an Internet, we have some basic requirements. To tell us about the requirements, I would like to call Prithvi of class 3rd.
To connect to the internet, we need a hardware device apart from the monitor, keyboard and mouse. We need the following hardware requirements: modem, network interface card, a telephone cable line, software, operating system like Windows and Linux. Thanks.
Thank you Prithvi to give some information of network application. Now, I would like to invite students of primary wing.
Internet is the best medium to communicate instantly with people sitting at far off places with the help of email, voicemail, online chatting, etc. Internet is a great tool for online learning and courses. It allows students to learn at their own pace and provide education to remote students also.
Internet helps in surfing, online banking and allow the customers to use banking services without visiting a branch.
Internet is also used as a source of entertainment like playing online games and quiz, downloading movies and music. Internet helps to search information on any topic using different search engines like Google UC browser.
Internet helps in buying and selling of any products online and is the cheapest medium for advertising products and services.
Thank you friends for providing us such an important information on internet. Now I want you all should know about some basic internet terms. For that, I would like to call a few students of class 4th.
Web page is a part of a website. Website is like a book and web pages are like the pages of that book. It contains videos, sounds, animation. It is stored in an electronic form that is connected to the internet.
Website. A website is a collection of related web pages
that provides information. It is like a book that contains many pages.
We get information from different websites. These websites open with special software known as web browser. Some of the most commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome.
World Wide Web. World Wide Web is the largest collection of information in the form of website on the internet.
Thank you, friends. Now I hope you all are aware term of internet, its requirements, application and basic terms. Thank you for joining assembly. Have a great day ahead.